We chose AsTech because we were looking for a newer way to create efficiency as well as proper repairs in the collision industry. We had delays with vehicles going to a sublet vendor, the vehicle leaving our site and losing control of that repair. Having them in-house and partner with them allows us to keep control of that, monitor that, as well as do a proper repair. My favorite thing partnering with AsTech is having everything done in-house, not relying on a sublet vendor. They allow us to use OEM tools to do the proper repairs for the vehicle, as well as monitor the vehicles on a daily plan and to get the vehicle back to the owner at a timely manner. As a collision industry, parts are on delay. We are waiting on a lot of back-ordered parts. As we finally receive those parts and we're allowed to repair the vehicle, all of a sudden at the end there are calibrations that are required.
Throughout the whole process, Tom Wood Collision was there through insurance, going through professionals to see the safety of the hazardous material. I just felt like I was priority to them.